નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Good morning, students. Standard 9th, Maths, Chapter 13. Today we are going to learn surface area and volume. In question number 5, here there is a tarpaulin, conical tent. Here the tarpaulin of width 3 meter is given and the length is not known. There is a tarpaulin, its width 3 meter and length is not given. It is used to make conical tent. Here it is you are required to make the conical tent of height 8 meter and whose radius of the base 6 meter. Such a conical tent is to be required. Now to make this tent, here what is the length of the tarpaulin required, whereas width is fixed. So also it is given that for wastage margin and stitching 20 centimeter extra tarpaulin is also length of the tarpaulin is required. So what is the total length of the tarpaulin required here? So our question is to find that. At the same time, here pi is equal to, we have to take 3.14 is given in the question. So first of all we have to go for what is the total length here. Okay, so first of all radius is given, height is given, we have to find the slant height, as we need tarpaulin required to make the tent, means curved surface area of the conical tent. So to find that we need slant height. So for that, here slant height is equal to square root of height square plus radius square. The height is given here 8 meter, so 8 square plus 6 square. So 8 square, that is 64 plus 36, and that is 100, and that is equal to 10 meter. So 10 meters length height required. So now what is the corridor surface area? Therefore corridor surface area of conical tent is equal to pi r L. So pi is equal to 3.14 we have to take, that is 314 divided by 100. So, radius is given 6 and the slant height is given here 10 pi r L. So we get here 0 cut, we will get 1 decimal place 314, 6 ja 1884 divided by 10, so 1 decimal place, so 188.4 meter square is the curved surface area of the conical tent. Now our question is to find first of all length of the tarpaulin, length of the tarpaulin required. At the same time width is given 3 meter here, we have to find the length. Now length of tarpaulin is equal to area of tarpaulin divided by breadth, and that is equal to, what is the area of tarpaulin here? 188.4 meter square divided by its breadth is 3 meter, and so we get here that is equal to, therefore here what we get, length of the tarpaulin, that is here 188.4 divided by 3, that means 62.8 meter. Now extra length is also required, but here extra tarpaulin required is given 20 centimeter, and that is equal to 0.2 meter dividing by 100. Therefore total length of tarpaulin required to make tent, to prepare conical tent, is equal to here L plus 0.2, and that is equal to, here what is the length? 62 0.8 plus 0.2, and that is equal to 63 meter total tarpaulin is required to prepare the tent, conical tent. Now, question number 6. There is a conical tomb. There is a conical tomb. Here in this question, there is a conical tomb, and it is required to be whitewashed. So the slant height of the base sits in the base of the its diameter of the base is given. Slant is 25 meter and the diameter of the base is 14 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the curved surface area of the conical tomb at this rate, that is 210 rupees per 100 meters square. So for this, first of all, here we have to find its curved surface area. So for curved surface area, first of all, here radius is equal to d by 2, and that is 14 divided by 2, that is 7 meter. So this is the radius and this is the slant height. So here we can find out curved surface area of conical tomb is equal to pi r l. As pi is equal to 3.14 not given here, so we can take 22 by 7 multiplied by, here radius is 7 multiplied by slant height 25, 7 cut, and thus we get 25 multiplied by 22, that is 550 meters square is the curved surface area of the conical tomb. Now it is to be whitewashed. Then what is its cost? So here it is given that 100 meter whitewashing. Now 100 meters square whitewashing this tomb surface area cost rupees 210. Therefore, here it is 550 meters square area is whitewashed. So this much area whitewashing cost how much? So that is equal to, here we get 210 rupees per meter and 550 total divided by per meters 100 meters square it was 210. So 210 rupees per 100 meters square. So for this how much? 0 cut, and that is equal to, here 21 multiplied by 55, and that is we get rupees 1155. So this is the total cost of whitewashing the conical surface area of the conical tomb. Now question number 7. Now today in question number 7, there is a joker's cap is in the shape of right circular cone. Joker's cap is in the right circular cone whose base radius is 7 centimeter and the height is 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So we have to find here, as the cap is made, we have to find its curved surface. So you will get the how much sheet required for one cap and then for 10 such caps. So for this, here radius is given 7 centimeter, height is given 24 centimeter, and therefore slant height is required to find the curved surface. So that is L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So that is 7 square plus 24 square, and that is 49 plus 576, and that is 625, and that is equal to 25 centimeter. Now sheet required to make 10 caps. Sheet required to make 10 caps, 10 conical caps. is equal to here 10 multiplied by curved surface area of cone, and that is equal to 10 multiplied by pi r L. So substituting the value 10 multiplied by pi is equal to 22 by 7 here, multiplied by radius is equal to 7 centimeter, multiplied by L, slant height is equal to 25 centimeter. So 7 cut, and so we get 10 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 25. So that is 22 into 25, that is 550 multiplied by 10. So this is 5,500, and 5,500 centimeter square is the sheet area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps, joker's cap. Now question number 8. In question number 8, there is a bus stop. It is barricaded from the remaining part of the road, surrounded by using 50 hollow cones. Here 50 hollow cones are there just to surround this bus stop, and these cones are made up of cardboard, which has the diameter 40 centimeter and height is 1 meter. Now if outer side of these cones is to be painted at a cost of 12 rupees per meter square, then what is the total cost of painting all these hollow cones? So from outside, so here we have to use pi is equal to 3.14, and also this value root 1.04 is equal to 1.02 approximately. So let us proceed for the solution of this. So here first of all, diameter is given 40 centimeter. So diameter is 40 centimeter, and therefore radius is equal to 40 by 2, and that is 20 centimeter, and that is 0.2 meter. At the same time, height is given 1 meter. And the radius is 0.2 meter. Okay, so now our question is to find how much cardboard required. So that hollow cone is there. So curved surface area. For that we have to find slant height. Therefore slant height is equal to r square plus h square, and that is equal to square root of 0.2 square plus 1 square, and that is square root of 0.04 plus 1, and that is square root of 1.04, and that is approximately here 1.02 millimeter. So this is slant height. Now our question is to find how much sheet is required, and then we can find out cost. 1 meter square cost 12 rupees. So first of all, here the cardboard required. So how much cardboard is required? That is equal to cardboard required for here 50 cones. That is equal to 50 multiplied by curved surface area of cone, and that is equal to, we say 50 multiplied by pi r L. So we can substitute the value. Pi is equal to 3.14 divided by 100. Radius is 0.2, that is 2 by 10, and slant height is 102 meter, that is 1.02, that is 102 divided by 100. Cut the common ones, 52 is 100, and therefore here you will get 314 multiplied by 102 divided by 1000. Thus we will get here 32,028 divided by 1000. So 3 decimal places here meters square. This is the cardboard required for 50 cones. Now we have to find the cost. It costs 12 rupees 1 meter square. Now here 1 meter square cardboard cost rupees 12. Therefore, 32.028 meter square cardboard cost rupees how much? So that is here we say rupees 12 multiplied by 32.028 meter square, and that is equal to, here on multiplying this we will get 384.336. So approximately it is rupees, here 384 rupees and 34 paisa. This is approximate cost of painting 50 hollow cones required to barricade the bus stop by the side of the road. Now let us start exercise based on surface area of a sphere.
Thank you for joining us.